Day paint pouring community. I am going to do this canvas and again try my little silicone brush, which I'm really enjoying at the moment, and I'm going to do the ripples pour, which I'm going to cover my canvas in. These are all Mont paints. I'm going to use my fingers. As you can see, I'm sticking with these washing up gloves. I haven't been using the disposable ones, just trying to see how I go with the with these gloves instead of going through all the disposable gloves I was going through, because you can sort of go to the sink after you've finished and just wash your hands with your gloves on and cleanse your gloves at the same time. I just hang them on a peg here in my art room and they're ready to go again for the next exciting episode. So that's a Mont bright yellow. I do have a little bit of noise going on because we are renovating this house we live in, and my husband's currently taken down the carport at the front of the house to replace with a up-to-date one. So, okay, I'm going to, this is navy, I'm going to put my lines through, nice and easy. So I thought I just wanted to switch it up and do something kind of bright, do this ripples pour with the bright background. So that's the navy. This is my Mont turquoise, which I love, 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 love. So I just thought, let's put it on. Oh, got a few splashes there, but you know what, doesn't matter. It'll all look good in the end, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, I just thought I wanted to try it on a nice bright background, see how we go. And I'll just try it on this smaller canvas. And then if I like it, I'll repeat on a large one. So let's just put in those, that was the purple down. And instead of using a card or a bit of plastic or a spatula, I'm going to use my nice little silicone pastry brush it is. So I'm going to just do the quick swipes down. If anybody knows me, you'll know that I love the bright colours in anything. So I thought, oh, what's it going to look like with a nice bright yellow background? And this brush is actually really quite good to do this because you can, oh, goodness. I think that's just the ladder falling over. Hopefully my husband's not on it, but I can't hear any cries or moans, so I think it should be okay. Yeah, so this little pastry brush is quite good for doing this because this will wash out great afterwards. It's nice and pliable. You can do thinner lines or you can turn it around and do the thicker lines, which I would be doing if it was on a large canvas. But I hope to do this and let it dry and then embellish it with a few bits and bobs. We'll see how we go. So of course this technique was originally started by Cathleen ozmore. Well, I don't know if she originally started, but she calls it her ripple swipe, a ripple pour, or and then Julie Cutts is doing Julie's doing loads of these different colour combinations beautifully at the moment and calling them a ghost pour. So maybe I should call it my ghost ripple. Okay, wow, actually looks quite effective on a really bright background, but I Just thinking now, why do straight lines and do a bit of a swirl in there? Ooh, yes, lovely. Of course, Kathleen lets these dry and then she embellishes them further, which is really steps it up a notch. It's really gorgeous. So she puts some oh, she just embellishes it. I think you'd have to see Kathleen Ozmore's work. She has got Kathleen Ozmore Cos Designs or Cos Creations, I think is the name of her page. She's not doing videos yet, but I'm sure it's on the way. So I'm just going to give this a little wave over with my magic wand, see what we come up with. Oh, okay. Oh, that's really going crazy. I don't want that too much, do I? It actually, yep, no, stop there. Stop there. Wow, that's actually really, really pretty with the bright colours. Look at that. That's really pretty. I quite like that with the bright colours. I'll give you a close-up, see what you think. Yeah, there's all colour combinations obviously that any of us can do, and I think there's a few going up on the internet at the moment, the different colour combinations. So that one's a very pretty one, and I'm absolutely psyched now to do that on a bigger canvas. Colours coming up lovely. But that's a nice easy one for you to do, and here in Australia it's school holidays for the children, so it might be a really good one to do if you've got grandchildren or children at home, because that's easy enough to do with that nice silicone brush. But that's bright and cheerful and really pretty. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for watching. A nice quick video for you, nice easy one. So catch you again next time. Thank you.